Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to use squalene in 5 ways for your hair and skin. Squalene is derived by hydrogenation of squalene. I have spoken about this in my video. What is it and why should we use it? Everything you're going to find in that video. And yeah, it's going to be in the description box. So squalene is an oil and this is highly stable. This is non-comedogenic. It won't clog your pores. And this is 100% saturated oil, so it cannot get rancid easily, and it is very easy to use because it is very light. It mimics our skin's natural oils. It can act like an emollient which can moisturize. Even it can prevent the water loss from our skin. Our skin has its own production of squalene. So when we are at our mid-20s or late 20s, that is when our skin produces less and lesser amount of squalene, and to compensate that we can use it topically. But people who are teenager, who are at their early 20s, they might use it as a very light facial oil, and they can obviously use this for their hair. But people at their mid-20s or late 20s, they're gonna get the extra benefits from this product. It is extremely non-greasy and this just feels so good on the skin, and my skin never reacted to it. One of my beautiful subscribers, Sarah, she has used this oil as well and she liked it. It worked well for her skin. But again, please, everything is not for everyone when it comes to skincare. What might not react on my skin, that might react on you. So please do a patch test, and there are different brands who make squalene, like 100% squalene. I use from Indulgio and they make 100% plant-based squalene. This is what you should get, plant-based squalene. And even doctors say they make 100% olive squalene. Indulgio has 70% olive squalene and 30% sugarcane squalene. Even there is another brand, Feel Raw Botanicals, they make 100% olive squalene. Even Sugandha makes squalene, but I don't know the source of their squalene. And Sherry, she asked me that if she can use the squalene product from Nimli. I have seen one product from Nimli that has squalene, but this product is not 100% squalene based. It has other oils. So I don't recommend Nimli Naturals turmeric root and olive squalene because this has other ingredients which I don't like that much. So yeah. And yeah, let's start how to use squalene in 5 different ways. Number 1, I use squalene in my face wash. See, I want my face wash to be a little more hydrating and nourishing. I don't like the tight feeling that many face washes leave to the skin. So what I do, I take the face wash and I put just 1 drop of squalene. Please don't overdo it. I know this is very light and this is very tempting to overdo or go overboard with this product, but please don't do that. Just put 1 drop of squalene in the face wash and you just use it as you use the face wash, and I really like it. Number 2, what I do, you can use squalene as your facial oil. Use water-based products. After that, you move to squalene. I know it feels very light, but it can lock the moisture pretty good. And what I do, I finish up with my water-based products, and after that, I use like 2 to 3 drops of this squalene on my face. And then if I am using any heavy moisturizers or any oil-based products, then I move to that. This is the only facial oil I'm using, and I just need 1 or 2 drops, maximum 3 drops, and that's it. After the oil-based products, and it works really well on my skin, and my skin never reacted badly to this product. This has this smooth, spreadable texture and sinks into skin really fast. I think it will do great for all skin types. You can mix few drops of squalene in your favorite moisturizers or creams, and it works very fine with the texture, and it just overall feels very nice on the skin. Squalene is compatible with most of the ingredients like retinol, niacinamide, vitamin C, AHA. It is so compatible, doesn't react to these products because this is highly stable and this is 100% saturated oil. This is super light, non-greasy, and this is compatible with natural oils that is present in our skin. It doesn't feel sticky or doesn't leave any greasy residue. Look, I got this little pimple. This is not for squalene, this is for an eye cream I had used recently. Number 3, I use squalene in my face packs with those Uptans because Uptans sometimes they feel really tight on the skin when they get extra dry. Even if you don't want your clay masks to be extra tight or extra give you this dry feeling on your skin, then you can use 1 or 2 drops of squalane in your clay mask as well. Even you can add this to your aloe vera gel. It just gives extra hydration and moisturization if you do that. We can add 2 to 3 drops of squalane in our uptans for extra nourishment. Now I'm going to tell you how to use squalane for hair, and Kajal, she has asked me this. So how I use squalane for my hair care, I mix it with my conditioner and my hair feels very nourished and just overall silky, manageable. So how I use squalane in my hair conditioner, I just mix 4 to 5 drops of squalane with my hair conditioner, then I apply it, keep it for 5 minutes, I wash it off. As simple as that, and my hair feels extra nourished, moisturized, and I really like it. Look, I'm such a big show off that I just need a reason to flaunt my hair. Such a big show off. Number 5, I use squalane as my hair serum too, because I don't like silicone based serums, hair serums, because they can be good for like short term, like you apply it instantly you see this all the silky smooth hair, but they can have this build up over time and your hair can suffer from dehydration, overall dryness, and I generally avoid that, and I have seen my hair feels nicer and feels more healthy without this silicone based products in my hair care products. And yeah, for hair serum, many brands like 90% of hair serums they contain silicone. So if you want to use silicone free hair serum, you just need 4 to 5 drops of squalane. You just use it on your dry hair as you apply a regular serum, but don't overdo it. 4 to 5 drops would do. And if your hair ends feel dry, you can also add it there now and then. My hair ends actually feel really dry, so I put squalane there, and you don't have to rinse it off. So yeah, again I'm doing the show off with my hair, but the squalane actually feels nice on my hair, makes it way more manageable. That's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.